Hi, I'm Todd Reed, National Market Manager with Graybar, and I'm here at the St. Louis JATC to see how they're implementing SmartStock Plus in their craft certification room. So I'm here today with Dennis Graylick, the Training Director for the St. Louis JATC, and we're standing in the craft certification room here in St. Louis. So tell me, first of all, a little bit about craft certification.
What is it? It's a joint effort on behalf of the Electrical Training Alliance as well as the American Institute of Research. And what they did is they sat down and they tried to develop some type of a job analysis for the inside electrical worker. Those that are trained in the electrical industry, whether they be apprentices or journeyman wiremen or other classifications, can come in and get this craft certification, which is basically an evaluation of not only classroom-related instruction, it's a written examination as well as job performance, the basic skills, the knowledge, the abilities that are required for an electrical worker to meet the standards that are out there today. We are witnessing a dynamic change in the electrical industry, and that change includes having the knowledge of those individuals going through craft certification to be able to demonstrate those skills. There's other programs that are out there in the industry that may claim they are certified and well-trained and qualified, but here with craft certification and through the efforts of IBEW and NECA and the National Training Alliance, along with their training partners, have put together this program, which is the first of its kind.
So now when I look around this room, it looks like there's a lot of different things. I see fire alarms, I see lighting, I see transformers. So what kind of areas are you covering?
We start off with some of the very basics. It's very much patterned after our Electrical Inside Apprenticeship program to meet those requirements that are for craft certification that includes residential as well as what we call as a commercial wireman electrician. The work that's done in the field today is constantly changing, and we need to keep up with those changes. I have mentioned to the students and to the apprentices in our program that for the dedicated, high-achieving individual, training is never, ever over. It's a continual process that allows the journeyman to come back and refresh their skills as well.
And so let's talk a little bit about what role do the Platinum training partners and the other training partners play in putting this kind of thing together?
A significant role, and I might add that having Graybar located here in St. Louis has been a tremendous benefit for our program. They have a logistics services that allows for the easy access to gain material. The logistics of the material and the equipment that's used for this craft certification would not be possible without the efforts and the help of Graybar.
So what would another training director need to do to build out something like this?
Well, I think it's important that all the training directors are familiar with what the efforts are being made through the NJATC, through the Electrical Training Alliance. There are different seminars. The National Training Institute, located in Ann Arbor, Michigan, is a terrific resource for all programs, all training directors, committee members, trustees, and instructors. I think it's of vital importance that they are aware of the opportunities that are out there for craft certification.
Well, great. Thanks, Dennis. Thank you for your time.
I appreciate it, Todd. Thank you.
So I'm here with John Huizinga, Customer E-Business Manager for Graybar, to talk about SmartStock. So, John, what is SmartStock?
SmartStock is the name for Graybar's inventory management system, and it's a system that has many levels that we can customize for each contractor. It can be as simple as using your smartphone to reorder material, or it's sophisticated enough to handle job sites. You can do checkouts by cost code, phase code, whatever you like, and then it will automatically reorder the material for you.
So here at the St. Louis JATC, they're using SmartStock Plus in their craft certification room. So what is SmartStock Plus?
SmartStock Plus is our application that works with both Android and iPhone, and it allows the customer to reorder using QR codes that we've created for them. So they just have to scan the QR code, put in the quantity they want to reorder, add a purchase order number, and send. And then that automatically reorders from Graybar.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
Well, I'm here with Tim Kelly, the Assistant Training Director for the St. Louis JATC, and we're talking about how they're implementing SmartStock Plus in their craft certification room. So, welcome, Tim, and tell me a little bit about how you're using SmartStock Plus.
Well, thank you, Todd. As the students finish their craft certification, what they're going to be able to do is they're going to be able to come over here to the actual SmartStock bins and be able to pull out material that they use during craft certification and replenish the stock by using their iPhone. And so it'll automatically be reordered and come to our training facility to be restocked into these bins.
And this bin here is where you're keeping most of the inventory, I guess?
That is correct. That's all the inventory. The distractor material and the material that they need to use to successfully do the craft certification.
Awesome. Now, will the students be using the app or the instructors?
We're going to have both of them be able to do it because we want to make sure that our members have the latest and greatest technology available to them. So as the industry changes, we want to make sure that they are aware of what's available out in the field.
Okay, so that will be almost a part of their test in a way.
Yeah, in a way. We'll definitely show them how it works and how it can be implemented, and just show them the cost savings that would be added to their the job site, by implementing this SmartStock.
Okay, great. Well, thanks a lot.
Well, thank you.